Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to adjust Jeep Wrangler mirrors. Begin with the vehicle parked and engine off, then position your seat and head for normal driving posture. Use the interior switch or manually move the glass in small increments until you see the road edge and minimal blind spot. Repeat for the passenger side and confirm visibility from your normal seating position. Test while driving slowly and fine-tune as needed. Start by sitting comfortably in your normal driving position so adjustments match real use. Find the interior mirror control or reach out to the mirror glass if manual, then make small, deliberate movements. Aim for a view that shows a sliver of your Jeep plus the adjacent lane to reduce blind spots. Lock the mirror control if available, then recheck after a short drive to ensure nothing shifted during return to normal driving. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical Jeep content. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tight so your trail snacks or sauces never ruin your gear during bumpy rides. They are perfect for hammocks, coolers, or the glove box when you need a spill-proof solution. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. For the passenger side, mirror adjustments mirror the driver steps, but favor slightly wider angle for more coverage. Fold mirrors manually or electronically when parked in tight spaces to avoid dings and scrapes. If you have a friend or camera, confirm blind spot coverage from the driver's seat perspective and tweak as necessary. Make sure folding mechanisms operate smoothly and clean lenses to maintain a clear, accurate view before driving on busy roads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.